Okay, this is your northeastern Pennsylvania, including the Poconos and northwestern New Jersey forecast for the next 48 hours. Um, what I've been talking about all along is we're going to get some snow. It might lead to some people having a white Christmas. We're going to move this to around 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and you can see there is a little bit of precipitation moving into the western part of the viewing area by Williamsport. And then during the day, you can see it. This is around 2 in the afternoon. It's snowing up this way towards Elmira. It didn't get into Poconos, but there is a flow off the ocean here because there is a low out there, and it is throwing some light snow into northern New Jersey during the midday hours. But then remember, it's midday; it doesn't really stick too much then. Then as we move towards the nighttime hours, just around 8 o'clock, you can see some patches of snow here. The main snow is still out here in western PA, but that'll change. And then, as you can see, the stuff that was to the east kind of all comes together around 2 o'clock in the morning, um, which would be Friday night into Saturday. And then that moves off, but it does throw a quick round of snow into northern New Jersey. And I think there'll be more in Pennsylvania than this radar shows you because it's just not catching on. This is that -8 line that I talk about. This is around 9 o'clock Friday night, and you can see it moving down through northeastern Pennsylvania and into Jersey. And depending on the timing of the precipitation, there could be a real quick burst of snow that could lead to 3, 4, maybe 5 inches in some spots, more than the map is showing, because then it starts to move down as you get overnight into into Saturday. Now, these are upper air temperatures. Um, on the ground temperatures, as you and I know it, you can see temperatures Saturday morning are in the 20s, and they will just keep dropping as we go during the day on Saturday. And then as you get into Saturday night, they just bounce down into the teens. And then when you get towards Sunday morning, you can see there will be some single digits in the Poconos, and elsewhere it'll be in the teens to 20s across the viewing area there. I know everybody wants to know how much snow. I'm saying this is round one. I don't go along with this, but I go along with this. So this is how much snow it shows on the ground. Again, 1 to 3 inches in the blue, a dusting to 2 inches in the grays here. An area in northern New Jersey can get 2 inches or so up here. Somebody in this area through here, and it might be the lower Poconos, I'm not sure exactly, but somebody's going to get hit depending on timing, and somebody's going to get 4 or 5 inches out of this. It might even be a little bit more depending on the timing of everything, but that there will be an area, a real thin area now, not a widespread area, but a small area where that could hit, and it might only be 40 miles wide, but in that little bit of an area there could be a larger amount of snow. Now I'll update this again on Saturday, and when I update this, I'll talk about what I see as snow on Christmas Eve. So we're not done yet. I think a large part of the area will see snow on the ground because this won't go away. Temperatures will be pretty cold going into Christmas Eve. So what falls will stick on the grass and wherever else it's at, but not on the roads, but on the grass and dirt and stuff, roofs. It'll stick around, so you might get your white Christmas.